Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, access Tab menu. Now click on this little icon with a sun located next to brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, access Display, and click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!